Color them.
I have a shirt.
Let me see yours, Zeke.
Shirt.
Ooh.
I can do this big design one.
That's gonna be cute. Which one are you doing, Enzo?
I can do this one.
Yeah, you
Ninja
can.
Turtles?
Ninja Turtle?
I can help.
Okay.
That's
Here is before we shrink them. Look it, it's starting to shrink. They're curling up in there. Oh, look
That's my baby one.
Do you see them?
I see.
They're gonna shrink to about 20% of the size that they were.
I come back down.
We gotta wait till it shrinks up and then it lays back
Look
flat.
at Xander.
What are they doing, Enzo? What's happening to our picture?
Xander's a human. Xander looks like a share.
They're getting ruined. Oh, they're shrinking. Oh no. Oh.
No, look at
It says once they lay back flat, you pull them out. Yeah, look at them back there. Okay, we'll take them out in just a minute or so. So here we just took them out and it says you can lay something flat over it to flatten them down. So I'll hold this down for a few minutes and then we'll see how they turn out. Okay guys, here is our final product. Here is the printable pictures. As you can see, these came out super clear. And if you hold them up to the light, they are also kind of transparent, which looks pretty cool. Made them into keychains. So yeah, they turned out pretty good. Look at how tiny this one is. This one's super tiny.